चैंपियन कोर्स किन के लिए है? जो IIT JEE एडवांस का एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, मेंस का एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, उनके लिए है। ये कैसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं? आपको यूट्यूब चैनल पे जाना है, वहाँ पे ज्वाइन बटन है, मेंबरशिप लेना है यूट्यूब का। आप मेंबरशिप लोगे तो मैं इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। इसमें आपको पूरा कोर्स करवाया जाएगा, आपका लाइव डिस्कशन होगा, DP दी जाएगी, यानी पूरे ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री की कोर्स की गारंटी अच्छे से करवानी आपको सिखाने की मेरी होगी। तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं यूट्यूब के मेंबरशिप प्रोग्राम के थ्रू। ज्वाइन बटन पे क्लिक। Hi, hello to everyone. Now today we are going to study the next lecture of conformer. Now we have to find which conformer of methyl cyclohexane is more stable. Which conformer of methyl cyclohexane is more stable? If we place our methyl at axial conformer or axial position or equatorial position, basically we have two options. The first option is, in first option methyl at axial position, and in second option methyl at equatorial position. Now you have to determine which is more stable conformer. Pause the video and try which is more stable, axial position conformer or equatorial position conformer. Now to solve this type of question, you have to draw chair form. You have to draw chair form of, Newman of this cyclohexane. If you closely watch this cyclohexane, now I am explaining you how to draw Newman of cyclohexane. If you watch this bond, these hydrogen are at anti-position, means basically it is a staggered conformer. Similarly, in this case, this hydrogen are at anti-position. This is also a staggered conformer. Means this is staggered, this is staggered. Now you have to draw the Newman projection. I can draw Newman projection across this bond. I can draw Newman projection across this bond. Now this is the staggered conformer. This is first carbon, second carbon. Forget about this, just consider 1, 2, then I will draw like this, H, this is H, this is H, this is H. Now similarly, if I draw Newman for this is our staggered across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 bond. What is the Newman of this 4, 5 bond? The 4, 5 Newman will be, this is H, and this is 3, this is 6, this is H, and this is H. Now what you have to do, this is our carbon number 1, this is our carbon number 5. Now 1 and 5 carbon is connected by 6, this is our 6. And the backside 2 and 4 is connected by 3. Now we have to replace this methyl at axial position. This means this is our methyl. This is the Newman projection of axial conformer. You have to divide this cyclohexane into two parts. The first part is across 1, 2, this is the Newman. Second part is across 4, 5, this is the Newman. Then you have to club these two Newman projections. So overall this become a one Newman of methyl at axial position. Now try similarly for methyl at equatorial position. Pause the video and try for equatorial position. Now for equatorial position, this is our chair form. So Newman of chair form in equatorial position. In case of equatorial, methyl will remain here. This is our equatorial. Now which one is more stable? Which one is more stable? So you can easily watch that the C6 and C3 are gauge. In axial, it is a gauge conformer. But in this case, I have to, by mistake I consider methyl at front position, I have to change this H This is methyl. Now, in this case, it is at staggered or anti-form. When methyl at equatorial position, it is anti to this. When methyl at axial, it is gauche to this. So, which one is more stable? The equatorial is more stable because it is our anti-conformer. Got it? This is anti-conformer and this is our gauche conformer. Therefore, anti is more stable. Therefore, equatorial is more stable than axial conformer. So, first of all, write down the Newman projection and just write a statement in your notes. Equatorial is more stable than axial conformer. Got it? This means the more, one more explanation is there. Axial is unstable because of this H and methyl repulsion. And this repulsion is also known as 1,3 diaxial interaction. So, write in your notes that axial is unstable because of 1,3 diaxial interaction. Now, what is the meaning of 1,3 diaxial interaction? I can explain 1,3 diaxial interaction in this diagram. This is methyl and this is H, and this repulsion is known as 1,3. Why 1,3? Because 1 and 3 position. Why di? Because of 2 positions, 2 axial positions. So, as the van der Waals radius will increases, it become unstable. So, just write down axial is unstable because of 1,3 diaxial interaction. Now, compare stability of this, all the 4. Compare relative stability. Pause the video and try this question. Now, how to approach this question? In this type of question, what we have to do, more bulky group is at equatorial position. Equatorial is more stable. So, first of all, it is axial, equatorial, axial, and this is our, both are axial, axial. This is our already equatorial, axial, equatorial position. We have to draw slightly at downward. This is equatorial position. Got it? To equatorial to axial. This is at axial, slightly up, equatorial. Now, this is highly unstable. Why it is highly unstable? Because both are at axial. And which is the most stable? Both are at equatorial. This is our equatorial. This is most stable. Then what will be the order? First of all, B, and more bulky group must occupy equatorial. Then A, then C, then D. This is the decreasing order of relative stability. What you have to do? More bulky group at equatorial position and more equatorial position more stable. Now, try this. Compare relative stability of cis-1,2 dimethyl and trans-1,2 dimethyl cyclohexane. Cis-1,3 and trans-1,3 dimethyl cyclohexane. Pause the video and try this question. Now, what you have to do? You have to compare relative stability. First of all, you have to draw cis. Now, if I want to draw cis, there are 2 options are there, methyl, down and down, equatorial and axial. Similarly, the methyl axial and this methyl equatorial, the same is our cis form. Now, we have to draw trans. In case of trans, methyl equatorial means it is a down, this methyl is up, EE, this is our trans. Which one is more stable? More the equatorial position, more is the stability. So in this case, trans is more stable. Why trans is more stable? Because of more equatorial positions. Got it? Now similarly try this question, cis 1,3 dimethyl and trans 1,3. In cis 1,3 dimethyl, start with equatorial position, because always start with stable conformer. There are two conformer for cis. Whenever we have to compare relative stability, which conformer you have to select? You have to select which is more stable form. Now cis 1,3, so this is equatorial, always start from equatorial. This is down and this is also down. This is our cis. In case of trans 1,3, this is our equatorial down. Trans means 1,3, this is up axial. This means in this case EA, and this case both are E. This means cis is more stable. Whenever you have to find the stability of cyclohexane, what you have to check? You have to check the more the equatorial position alkyl group, more will be the stability. In this case, we cannot determine stability that trans is more stable. It may be trans stable, cis may be stable, depend upon the equatorial position of particular that conformer. Check equatorial position, more equatorial, more stable. Now draw this, draw more stable conformer. Pause video and try this. Now cis 1-methyl and 2-ethyl, the same approach will be there. We will start with equatorial position, 1-ethyl and 2-methyl, and we have to draw cis. This is down and this is also down, EA. This is our cis form. Then we have to draw trans. This is our chair form. 1-ethyl, ethyl is down, and trans for methyl must be up. This is EE, trans. EA, this is our cis. Now, which is more stable? Trans is more stable, because more the equatorial position, more will be the stability. Now try this. Number of alkyl group at equatorial positions. In each example, you have to try how many alkyl group at equatorial position. Now, if in example A, this is our cis form. So what we have to do? First of all, draw chair form. More bulky group must at equatorial position, always start from equatorial. Then we have to draw cis. This is down. This means this methyl must also down. How many equatorial positions are there? In this case, only one alkyl group at equatorial position. What you have to do? You have to draw cis form and you have to draw most stable conformer. This means always start from equatorial, and then since we have to draw cis, that's why I placed methyl at axial. If I placed methyl at equatorial, this means I am drawing the trans form. We don't have to compare trans. We have to compare, we have to find the answer equatorial position of this methyl. Now similarly try for B, C, D. In B, this is our trans form. Both are at equatorial position. In this case, answer will be 2. Now pause the video and try for C and D. In example C, cyclohexane in 1 and 2, this is our cis form. This is our down and cis means again it must be down. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 5 must be cis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to draw methyl in such a way that it forms cis. This is down, then this will be also down. And we have to check 1 and 5 must be cis. Down, down, this is also cis. How many equatorial positions are there? 2. Now you can guess the answer for D. In D again you have to draw chair form. This methyl at equatorial, we have to draw trans. This means methyl must be at equatorial position, so that it may be in trans form. Now this and this must be on trans form. So methyl after 2CH2, trans form means it is up and it must be down. So how many equatorial positions are there? In example D, number of equatorial positions are 3. Got it? Now try this. Draw chair form and tell us both axial or both equatorial. Let me explain you one example. The cis-1,2 dimethyl. We have to draw cis-1,2 dimethyl. So cis means methyl and this methyl, down, down. This is down, this is down. So this means it must be at E and A. Now similarly, you have to try for other examples. And what about trans-1,2? For trans, it is down and it is up, means E, E. Cis-1,3. Cis-1,3 matlab, so down and again down, E, E. And for trans, it will be E, A. Cis-1,4. Cis-1,4, equatorial, this is down. In order to form cis, this must be again down. Down, down means cis, E, A. This means trans will be E, E. In all this example, you have to start with equatorial position. Got it? Now that's all for today, and please circulate my video among other students and teachers who are teaching in the South India. Mainly among the students, basically my target is to teach the student living in the South India. They are very sincere, very hardworking, and I got very good feedback of the students studying in South India from my book. That's why I want to connect with the students who are studying in the South India, especially Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. If you are watching my video, just comment in my comment section, where are you from, where are you studying. I am happy to help you always. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.